All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've been using my new case now probably for the past weekend. I got this I think on Saturday or Friday, and it is Monday that I'm recording this video. So I wanted to use it all weekend just to kind of give you some sense of what I feel about it. So I got this on Amazon. There'll be a link down below in the description if you can purchase yours. The reason I bought this case is because I didn't like the offerings from T-Mobile. This is a T-Mobile exclusive device. And you know, it's going to be tough to find something for a device if it's an exclusive carrier device. So this is a two-piece case I got on Amazon. I will leave a link down below and you're going to save a ton of money. Now I'm just recommending this case, but I stayed on Amazon and I looked through cases for about an hour on Amazon. And this is the one that I felt like suit me best. And I think you might like it. So obviously it's a two-piece case. The front part of the case has like this shiny glossy type to it, and it looks good when it's put together. As you can see, it does have a screen protector. Now I was kind of curious about this screen protector because normally I don't like screen protectors that are built in, but this was actually pretty good. And I'm bringing in this stylus here because this comes in the box too, and I'll show you that. But this screen protector actually works really good, man. No issues. It gets kind of oily, but still, the touch sensitivity does not change when you put this on. So this top part goes on first like this. It just snaps on like that. And then the back is exposed here. So I'll go ahead and wipe off the back again, just to kind of get it clean before putting it in. And then this part goes on like this. And so this is the portion of the case right here where you can see it has grip on it along the sides. And then on the top and bottom, it's smooth. But you can see all the ports and everything. So it doesn't really matter how you put this on. It just slips on nice and easy. And then the case is on and you still get to show off that magenta and black look on the case. Now, as you turn here, you can see the power button is deeply recessed in there and really exposed for your fingerprint, and it works great every time. So anytime I use this, I have two fingers set up, this finger and my thumb, and it works every time. It is going to give you a good response every time you try to open this up, so you don't have to worry about that. The volume rocker on here works great. A little tight, but that's what you want. You don't want to be able to move it very easy. And then the front here, you can see that screen protector is doing very well. You can see the cutoff of the speaker and the camera. And then it came with this little stylus in the pack. And I saw that on the picture and I didn't think anything of it, but it in fact does work well. Even without the stylus, the touch sensitivity does not change. So that's something that you should take note of, man. I mean, it works really well. It works well. And you can use your finger or the stylus, like I said. So this is pretty good, man. For $8, I really cannot believe that this case works as well. And again, I didn't just buy it and do an unboxing. I used this all weekend and it's been great, man. So I wanted to show it to you. So I have a link down below if you're interested in picking this up. Again, you do get the stylus with it in the box. I thought that was pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.